What is going on, guys? Now this is definitely a different kind of video because of where I'm at. I'm in a parking garage right now, but I thought today's video was going to be a bit interesting because I had some points I actually wanted to talk about starting anything with this car, the journey I've been with through so far in the year and a half of ownership, and ever since I started YouTube and all the stuff that I've gone through and experienced. And I just think it's kind of a cool thing to kind of reflect on and talk about too. When I first bought my BRZ, I knew little to nothing about cars. And that was kind of the whole reason I wanted to buy this car, was so I could get into something that I've never done before and something that was definitely out of my comfort zone when doing things myself. The only thing I knew about cars is that I thought they were cool, I liked them loud. I had slight things done to my last car that I did myself, which I thought was kind of cool. But at the same time, I really didn't have much going on with it, and I knew there wasn't a big aftermarket parts thing for it. And then I started doing research, and I found the Subaru BRZ, and I saw this car, and I absolutely fell in love with the thing. Everything about it, from the shape of it, to the sounds people make it do, to some of the mods, just everything about this car, I just absolutely fell in love with. I mean, can you blame me though? Look at this thing. This thing is beautiful. I don't care what anyone says, if it's ricey or what. This car, in my opinion, is one of the best looking cars that is out there. It just, to me, it's gorgeous. I had a small Instagram page for my last car, which was a 2013 Dodge Dart, and it was called the Tater Dart. Why? Because, well, a lot of my usernames have always been Tater Top Man something or other. So that's where I kind of went with that. And then I liked taking pictures, but I wasn't really super into it, but I enjoyed it. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna kind of try to keep doing this sort of thing. And then I got this car, and that's when my page absolutely blew up. I've always wanted to make YouTube videos as well, so I said, you know what, with this car, I'm gonna try to document every little thing with it, and I'm gonna start a YouTube channel, see where it goes. Right now, we're about to hit 900 subscribers. By the time this comes out, I might already have it. It's not that many, but it's a lot more than I thought I would ever have in a million years, because I've tried doing YouTube in the past as a kid, and I never got past 5 subscribers. So actually gaining a following on here has been one of the coolest things I've experienced. But flash back, forward, whatever we're going with, I remember hitting 1,000 followers on my Instagram, meeting a lot of cool people give me advice, give me build advice, just things how to, people's giving me ideas of things to do for the car, and it was so cool. I've never experienced a sense of community with anything I've ever done before until I got this car and I started being active in the car community with everything. A big part of this car that I learned was just how to be hands-on, and something that's kind of a thing, but don't be afraid to take a risk with something. The first mod I did to this car was get an exhaust for it. I had an exhaust in my last car, but it was nothing. And then I got this with no mufflers, and I don't really want to rev in here. I'm gonna rev in here real quick and just listen to this thing. It sounds so good. But a big part of this car just taught me, just do it, just go out and do things. Building it is something I never thought I'd be doing, or term I'd really be going with, but I've done countless mods to this car. I probably spent $6,000 on this car in mods. It's a waste of money, but I love it. But it really taught me how to do things that I never thought of. I learned a lot about cars by talking to people, by talking to their problems, and just trying to figure things out with people, and then slowly figuring out my own issues. And I've learned a lot through the entire process. I'm still one of those people that I find it really weird to vlog in public, so it's kind of weird every time a car passes by. Now, I wouldn't call myself a mechanic or a mastermind on cars or anything like that, but I'm definitely at a point that I know a lot more than the average person when it comes to cars now. At a point that my dad's car is making a sound, or my mom's car is making a sound, or something just doesn't feel right, and they ask me to take it for a drive, take a listen, just do this, do that, and I'm getting to a point that I'm able to diagnose issues with cars. And just learning about just building a simple car like this BRZ and the simple mods that I've done has just exploded my knowledge on cars, because it's something that I'm passionate about, it's something that I'm interested about, and just something I want to learn more about. So I start learning more about it, find stupid small issues and stuff like a Honda, like my mom's car, and it's another thing I can just add to my bank of things that I now know about the car, because I just wanted to do research on it to help my mom out, or I was doing something and I ran into a similar issue with my car, and it's just infinite knowledge with this thing. And I'm a strong believer of like, learn something every day. If you don't, you're doing life wrong. And with the car, I'm always constantly learning things, and I'm always wanting to learn things. Now, just being hands-on, and the car is making me a little bit ballsy because I get mods that maybe it won't work. Maybe I go through a company that doesn't make the best product for something, but I go ahead and I try it out, and it really teaches you patience. It teaches you how to work on something, how to work for something, and it just teaches you how to be hands-on, and I think that's a very important thing. None of my friends know anything about cars, and they see my car and they kind of look up to me like, wow, that's kind of a cool thing that you do, because you do it all yourself. I have a few mods that I might not do myself. When we get to there, we'll get to there. But I have good reasons why I'm not gonna do it myself. But just the amount of things I've learned from having this car has just been incredible. And now the next big thing with the journey of cars is my social media engagement. Now right now, Instagram has an all-time low with reach because Instagram changed everything. They want you to pay for things if you have a certain amount of followers and blah, 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 it sucks. But the amount of people and supporters I've come across since I've had this car has been mind-blowing. Now, on one of my last videos, it was me reacting to my friends' cars. That is the group chat I've been involved with since I've pretty much had this car. And meeting these people has been one of the best experiences of, like, I'm not gonna say my life, but pretty close. These people I talk to every single day. We talk about life, we talk about cars, we talk about our YouTube, we talk about Instagram, we just talk about everything. And I met all these people because I drive a car that I started modifying. I started a YouTube channel, and now we all started YouTube channels together. We all started different times, but that's how we ended up finding one another. And the friendship we made, I just spit everywhere. The friendship that we've made through this entire journey has just been like mind-boggling, and it's been absolutely incredible just to see like what we're all accomplishing in our own personal lives and our social media lives and just everything that we're going through. It's just such a cool feeling and something I've never experienced in my life before. If you want to get into car community, I'm not saying go and buy a brand new BRZ. This thing cost me $32,000 after taxes, and I'm still paying this thing off, and I'm building it. And is it the smartest decision? Probably not. But I'm having fun with it, gaining friends, I'm gaining knowledge, we're doing all sorts of stuff. I'm learning how to film make and picture take, which is super cool. It's something I've always really wanted to do. And we're slowly getting a following on things like Instagram and things like YouTube, where obviously you guys are from YouTube, you guys are seeing this. But it's just stuff like that that has just been like a lot to handle because of all the support that I've gotten from people. And because I'm a car person, I have this sense of community with these people, and it's amazing. Just the amount of community and amount of support from people that you see this online has been insane. I've met people from all over the world that are car people that are supporting me. I'm supporting them. We talk all the time. I'm probably ranting a lot about the stupid community shit, but it's just a thing that's really big that I never thought I would really experience in my life. I've never thought I'd be a person that have internet friends, and I have so many internet friends now. I really hope you guys can find some sort of inspiration in these kinds of videos when I just kind of like rant on about stuff and my experiences, because that'd be kind of cool if you guys started making YouTube channels because you guys found my channel, or started buying BRZs because you guys found my stuff. To me, that's a cool thing. Now, this is a video I've been wanting to record for a long time, and I was really gonna hold off until I hit 1,000 subscribers just to make it a little bit more like special and like, you know, more like heart-wrenching. That's not really the term for it, but to make it more like a special thing. I was gonna do this at 1,000, but I was feeling kind of motivated to record and do something with this. And I think we're at a big milestone now because I'm about to hit 900, which is something I never thought I'd hit. I just got a new camera, which is incredibly cool. And I thought, you know, right now was a good time to record this. And I just want to say a personal thank you to everyone that's been supporting me, every one of my subscribers, everyone who's been watching regularly. And even if you're new to this channel, I appreciate you guys more than you guys would ever think. And just thank you all for like just being there for me. It's just something, that community ship, I never thought would happen, and I'm really happy that it is happening. I I am planning to record a like reacting to my old videos video, because I think it's gonna be really funny, and it's something I would like to add in this video, but I'm not going to because this video would be like really long. It's probably already really long. But thank you guys for all the support. That's just a little something I've learned from being a car guy. If you guys have gone this far in the video, if you guys could please just like, you know, in the comments, just what have you learned as a car guy? Like, what kind of experiences have you gone through? Have you guys been going through the same thing I've been going through, which is nothing but support and passion? We got some haters, but most of the time, it's really good. It's really awesome. I'm gonna leave you guys off here. Again, thank you guys for being there. If you guys could please subscribe so we hit that 900 and soon we hit that 1,000, that'd be super, super incredible. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Keep doing all that fun stuff. Keep doing you. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.